Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad that you're watching. Let's get it. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be dyeing my hair burgundy with this Adore 88 here. I can see it. And I dyed my hair burgundy already. I'm going to put a picture on the side or whatever. But for some reason it like the color washed out and now it's like brown. As you can see, my hair is brown. So I'm gonna get this started. Let me make sure this is open. I mean, this is open. Oh yeah, it's open. I'm gonna pour. I mean, that should. All right, that should be good for now. On that side, and it's like pinkish. See, it's pinkish. Then my dye is gonna start. So there's a little bit of conditioner, a little bit of dye there. So I'm gonna part my hair in 4 sections. All right, so I'm gonna part this joint. I'll put some on there, and then I'm gonna start up her. Honestly, I forgot to put like Vaseline or like oil around my edges to protect it. So I'm gonna just do my roots first, and then after that, I'll do the ends. I just want to do the roots because my roots is black, and the ends of my hair is already like brown, so it's not gonna be hard for the color to change. I just hope it's the right color. I hope it turns out right because I never used this color before with this brand, so let's see.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers who you know how we do. It's
I can honestly say on my brown hair, I could already see it changing a little bit.
go with the brothers who you know how we do.
I'm gonna just do my roots first on each section, and then after that, I'm gonna just coat my hair with all of it. So the back of my hair, you just do the same thing as I did the front side. You part it, and I'm gonna do the roots. I can barely see back there, but I'm just parting it and going to the roots. Okay?
You love. It's not for me to say.
So as you can see, the front, oh my bad, the front of my hair is starting to change. So I'm gonna start with, I guess, the back. So I'm parting it, and I'm like putting it on the whole thing now. I put it on my ends first. Well, I mean, first I put it on my roots, then I put it on my ends, and then I'm putting it on the whole entire piece of hair. So for example, this piece here, and I'm gonna put it on the whole thing. change the color. It's going back to that burgundy look I was going for. I feel like it's gonna be lighter because of my hair being brown.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
and we're gonna put it on the whole thing. Even though I'm gonna use my fingers, but I'll use it after.
for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
so this is how it's coming out. So I can still see like some brown spots, so like I did with the back part of my head, I'm going to just touch it up.
go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. For me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go around my head and make sure, you know, everything is touched up and is covered. So, you know, just the front part of my head is still kind of black. You see that? It's still black. So I'm gonna put some more there. And then we're gonna let this sit for like 15 minutes. Go around my head, make sure everything is covered. I didn't do my sideburns. I don't do sideburns. I don't do my sideburns. I just leave them. Just make sure all the roots are covered and the ends.
Go with the brother who you know how we do. It's
So I washed my hair and then I put some conditioner on it. But this is the end result of me using a Zoa. But yeah, this is the outcome of it. If you enjoyed watching my video, please subscribe, you know, comment below, you know, tell me what you want to see me do, and yeah, and I will be making another video. Thanks for watching. Hey.